Hey guys, welcome back to Only Mods. Today we're going to be putting on some tint on the two front windows of the Polo. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so before we start tinting the windows, we're just going to be talking about what percentage we're getting. Currently in the back we've got a 5% VLT, and in the front we're going to be getting 20% VLT. So VLT stands for visual light transmittance. So basically it's the percentage of light that travels through the film. So at the back, 5% of the actual visual light comes through the film and the other 95% gets blocked out. Whereas in the front, legally we can only go about 20% VLT. So that's the darkest we can go. We're going to go that darkest because it's the coolest. So yeah, we're going 20% VLT in the front. We've got 5% VLT in the back. And then, yeah, let's see what it looks like. All right, guys, so we've opted in for this L-Trax window tint, which is the 20% dark smoke, as you can see. So first step is you're going to want to measure out your window size and then snip a section for your window. So it's a lot easier to work with. I'll show you what I mean. All right, so I've taped down the piece of film over my window. Now I'm going to go ahead with a white paint marker and just trace out the window. All right guys, find a nice flat surface where you can place your film and then cut out the template that you've just made on your car. So now that you've got your template done, you can take this back to your window and let's stick it on. All right, next step is you want to clean the window. Next, you want to test your template on your window. Now that you have your tint stuck on the outside, you want to go ahead and trim this to size for the inside of your window. All right, now that your tint has been cut to the size of the window, you want to take it off and then stick it on the inside. So let's get to it. Oh man, the tint's looking amazing. Right, the Polo build's coming along. All right guys, with the WRC front bumper, we finally have one on order. It will be about 45 days before it's here. So this bad boy is gonna be off and we'll have a WRC front bumper on. So it's gonna look amazing. We also have a head unit on order, which should be here in about 2 weeks. Got that one from eBay. So yeah, inside, we currently still have the OEM head unit. We're going to be changing this out for a touchscreen one. And then also my wife requested one thing on the Polo, and that's starry headlights. So we're going to be getting those 500p, I'll chuck a picture up here, 500p starry headliner that we'll be installing onto the roof, and yeah, we'll make a video on that as well. But yeah, that was my wife's one request before we start doing performance mods. And now that we've got the WRC front bumper on the way, after that gets on the head unit and the starry headliner, we're going on to performance mode. So yeah, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do so. It helps out big time. We're almost at 1,000 subs. Just want to thank you everyone that's been following the journey so far. Really appreciate it. Please like, comment, share, and yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one.